So I was looking at these things and I figure I'll take this 550 cord stuff and make hinges right here where the jaw naturally hinges. You can see the 550 cord there. And they stay together and people can kind of look at them and they won't fall apart. They can't mess it up too bad dropping stuff and whatnot. They have 550 cord hinges now built into the jaw, the back part of the jaw there. Alright, like I said, on the jawbone here, I've tied 2 square knots nice and tight, and then from there you pass it on the one side onto the jawbone, one string, and then the other string. You're going to pass it on the other side of the jawbone. Like that. Then you're going to tie another square knot there. 2 square knots. 2 square knots nice and tight. And this way it can't make it over this part of the bone or that part of the bone, and it will pivot right there. And then I just take these tag ends, and once you got the knots in there, and I just melt them together so the knots don't come out with a lighter or something. And then you got a pivoting spot, and the jaws stay together. Works pretty good.